It's a different cooking show. It's a different cooking show.
Some peeled and cut lemon, mint, ginger, plain yogurt, cut pineapple, cut up mango. The mango is frozen. And pineapple juice. This pineapple juice is frozen. I accidentally left it in the freezer. It should help the frostiness of the smoothie. Then we're gonna blend this. Some chunks in there. This is it. This is made up by me.
That's just in 2021. Hell, your clock thing can't be right.
I wonder if I could put this in my tea. How to do that? Sound like the music from the movie Halloween.
People look at this shit and really suck it. Baby, hurry up. Please, hurry up. You guys, we made a quick stop by IKEA. everyone, greetings. You're back again with We Gon' Eat TV. How I look, y'all? Am I looking all right? I ain't checked myself out. Hopefully I'm looking all right. Anyway, we got another one coming to y'all. This was kind of simple, you know what I'm talking about, but it's much needed. We was doing fried. We got to slow down on the fried, you know what I'm talking about. So today we having oven baked barbecue chicken. You dig what I'm talking about? We're gonna start with our seasoning. Y'all know how we get down with the seasoning. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna start with this Lowry seasoning salt. You know, get up in there and season this chicken up. You know what I'm saying? Good seasoned chicken. It's about to go up in this glass baking dish, and we're gonna let this cook 45 minutes, and then we're gonna lather it up with this barbecue, and then we're gonna stick it right back in the oven. All right, y'all, we've been taking the oven chicken out, and I'm gonna douse it with some barbecue. Y'all see we on that sweet baby Ray. You dig what I'm talking about? Then we're gonna rub this in like we supposed to. Yeah, get this barbecue going. All right, y'all. We just gonna lavender. I said lavender. We just gonna rub this in. You dig what I'm talking about? Then we gonna throw this right back in the oven. Don't stop. This ain't finished. We gonna soak them up, though. I might have to hit them up just a little bit more. The meal is complete. It's going down. Barbecue. Y'all see it? Yeah, barbecue. Oven roasted. No, oven baked. Excuse me.
Oven barbecue.
Oven barbecue.
Same thing. All of them are right.
Yeah. You know what I'm talking about? And yes, sir. Watch out. Bah!
Skillet, potato, and onion.
What you talking about? What you know no good?
And we were gonna have a green veggie with this, but we
what you know no good? What you know no good?
Look at that chicken. Woo,
Yeah.
that
No,
chicken
come back.
looks good.
Come back. Come on, back over here. Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, so I made.
Look at that.
I made the potatoes. He made the chicken.
Yeah, we put it together.
I think we're a good team.
Hey,
You guys.
yeah, ain't nothing but love. Ain't nothing but love. Yeah, we ain't gonna tell y'all how to do it, how to make it. We just gonna show y'all how we do it. It's a different cooking show. 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 Oh, this is good too. I just dipped in. Hopefully y'all can see that. This is oven barbecue chicken. Oven barbecue chicken, man. What you call these potatoes, baby?
Skillet, potato, and onion.
Skillet, potato, and onions. The wife baked the onions, and I did the chicken. You know what I'm talking about?
Potato and onion.
Potato and onions. I'm telling you, it's good too, though. I'm gonna get into this though, and that's what it is. Chop it up with y'all a little bit. Hey, look, I need y'all to go subscribe. Tell a friend, right? Subscribe and like We Gon' Eat TV. Go to We Gon' Ride TV, check that out. But it's two different things, and a lot of people might not want to go to We Gon' Ride, but you know what I'm talking about, you can, you know what I'm saying, because it's about the cars with us. You might get into some others, it might be a little different, but for us, it's about the cars, and this is what we've been doing. But on We Gon' Eat, We still love our, but it is what it is.
And this channel is going to help us bring more content to We Gon' Ride TV. And we could keep giving you guys the content you're used to.
Yeah, gas prices is up, man. We gotta make it make sense. Plus, you get a little more, you get to know us a little bit more. You know what I'm talking about? We open Pandora's box just a little bit. You know what I'm talking about? See what's happening, that we everyday people. You know, so motherfuckers don't, excuse my language, but don't get to assuming and going all crazy. It's just me and my wife just doing what we do. You know what I'm talking about? Living life, sharing our lives with y'all. It's a different cooking show. It's a different cooking show.